Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Hello Shiny, welcome to eTimes TV. How are you?
I am good, Vijay Lakshmi. How have you been? Thank you for having me here.
I am great and thank you. Shiny, I want to know Pandya Store को बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है and so is your character is receiving so much love. I think बहुत टाइम बाद एक ऐसा एक family drama आया है, which talks is not just about kitchen politics. It has talks about family and the relationships. Tell me, how has been your experience of working on this show?
So to be very honest, जब मैंने Pandya Store sign किया था, so one of the biggest reasons to sign this show was A, Star Plus, 2, Sphere Origin, which is my production house. And when these two people come together, I knew that there's going to be some magic, or there's going to be a show which will stay in people's heart forever, and which is happening. To be very honest, I had manifested this way before. I knew that this is going to reach too many people, and we are going to get and receive a lot of love for sure. Mm-hmm. So the journey has been really nice. जब शो साइन किया था तब बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप्स हुई थी. मेरे कैरेक्टर को बहुत सुंदर तरीके से शिल्पा जी ने लिखा हुआ है, who's the writers. और एक एक छोटी छोटी चीजों में इतनी सादा डिटेल्स डाली हुई थी. और it's amazing when you receive so much love. जब आप इतनी मेहनत करते हो, इतना हार्ड वर्क करते हो, और उसके बाद जब आपका काम को लोग प्रोत्साहन देते हैं, when they love your work, when they love you on screen, it's a great feeling.
Tell me, how has been the shooting experience from last year to now? Last year pandemic एकदम peak पे था, आप लोगों को अपनी अपनी family से दूर जाना पड़ा, to shoot in a safe environment. How was that experience?
So last year December we started shooting for Pandya Store, and probably in March May the show took the leap. And May the second lockdown happened, and we all were shifted to Bikaner for 2 months. So we stayed in Gajner Palace for 2 months, and it was a beautiful experience, to be honest. We were lucky to get that space. We were lucky to get that location, because वो 2 महीनों में जो हमने वहाँ पे शूट किया है, और वो जितना सुंदर स्क्रीन पे दिखकर आया है ना, because it was a palace. हमारी शो की थीम के साथ मैच हुआ. There were a lot of shows which shifted to Hyderabad, a few got shifted to Goa, a few got shifted to Silvassa. We were lucky enough to get shifted to Rajasthan because it matched so much with the the background of the show, because Pandya Store का of course background Gujarati background है.
Yeah.
तो जो लोकेशन से हमने शूट किया वो बहुत खूबसूरती से दिख गया है. ऑफ कोर्स वी वर मिसिंग आवर फैमिली. घर का खाना बहुत याद आ रहा था, और बॉम्बे बहुत ज्यादा याद आ रहा था.
और आप लोग वरीड भी होंगे अपनी फैमिली के लिए, बिकॉज सेकंड वेव जस्ट गया था.
ऑफ कोर्स वी वर वरीड, बट वी वर ब्लेस्ड. हम रोज ये सोचते थे कि यार कब जाएंगे बॉम्बे, कब जाएंगे. बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट लक्ष्मी, ये पैंडेमिक में हमारे पास काम था. वी हैड वर्क, वी हैड जॉब्स टू डू, which was more important.
Yeah.
There were a lot of people who were sitting jobless at home. They didn't have work. People were going through financial crisis. There was so much happening. So touch wood, with God's grace and a lot of gratitude in heart, that at least we had work. We were not sitting jobless.
Yes, right. And जो जिस तरीके की खूबसूरत bonding relationship family की हमें शो में दिख के आता है, we see that off screen also. Because Instagram में हम आपके पोस्ट देखते रहते हैं. Tell us something about that.
So off screen also we bond really well. I would want to say one thing. Akshay, who's playing Dev, and Mohit, who's playing Krish, they call me off screen also Bhabhi.
Okay.
They're like, आप हमारी भाभी हो. So उनके साथ मेरा off screen bond भी ऐसा ही बन गया है. वो लोग कभी भी मुझे मेरे नाम से या मेरे कैरेक्टर के नाम से, nobody calls me that. Everyone, like especially Dev and Krish, they call me Bhabhi only. Bhabhi, ये scene आया है, ऐसे ऐसे करना है. I'm like, okay, चलो done. So that bond has become for life, to be very honest, with Dev, Krish, with Kinshuk also. I mean, we've become a family now. I'm glad that we have these people, and I have such amazing co-actors with me, because जब आप अपनी फैमिली से ज्यादा टाइम सेट पे स्पेंड करते हो, like I am there almost for 12 to 13 hours a day. And when you have people like them who make your work easier, and there's so much entertainment happening every day on set, because the kind of scenes also that we shoot are so much fun. So बहुत मजा आता है सबके साथ shoot करने में.
And you're also shooting with Kritika Desai ji, who's, you know, she's such a renowned actress. उन्होंने इतना काम किया, उनका body of work इतना great है. How's your bonding with her?
With Kritika ji, no, my bond slowly and gradually developed. पहले तो जब मुझे आज भी याद है जब मैंने ये शो साइन किया था, मुझे पता चला था she's playing my mother-in-law in the show. I was very excited to work with her. My first scene with her, I was shivering because she is such an amazing actor. That scene, she was just lying down because obviously she's shown little paralytic in the show where she can't walk and all. उस टाइम पे वो बोल भी नहीं सकती थी, but with her eyes, what she played, I mean, it still gives me goosebumps. So वो scene मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है. मैं literally shiver कर रही थी. मेरा पहला scene था कृतिका जी के साथ. And then later, you know, I started observing her. To see her perform live is a very different feeling. You learn so much out of her. मतलब हमारे set पे जितने भी लोग हैं, 90% यही कहेंगे कि कृतिका जी के साथ सीन्स करने में बड़ा मजा आता है, क्योंकि वो सीन बना देती है. वो सीन को कोई और ही डायरेक्शन में ले जाती है और वो इतना खूबसूरती से निकालती है हर एक चीज को कि जो राइटर ने लिखा हुआ है वो बिल्कुल जस्टिफाई होकर निकलता है. सो मैम के साथ तो मेरी अभी ट्यूनिंग है. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू नो, जितना माँ धरा को प्यार करती है और जितना रिस्पेक्ट करती है, वही बॉन्डिंग मेरी मैम के साथ है. मैं जब भी मैम के साथ बैठती हूँ या हमारा कोई सीन आता है तो वो मुझे पहले से बता देती हैं, शाइनी ये ना हम ऐसे करेंगे, हम ऐसे करेंगे. शी इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. आई मीन शी इज सो सीनियर. व्हेन यू सी हर परफॉर्म, यू लाइक, यू नो, मुझे लगता है कि मैम के साथ सीन्स में ग्लिसरीन लेने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. दोस टीयर्स ऑटोमेटिकली कम आउट. एंड द इमोशनल सीन्स दैट शी टेक्स ऑन टू, ओ माय गॉड, इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग टू वर्क विद हर. जिंदगी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप ऐसे लेजेंडरी एक्टर के साथ काम करो, बिकॉज इतना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है उनसे. और चाहे कुछ भी हो, मेरा शॉट लगा हो नहीं लगा हो, मैं ऑफ स्क्रीन बैठ के उनको ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ.
एक्ट्रेसेस या कोई भी शादी करना चाहते हैं, उनकी लाइफ का बड़ा डिसीजन होता है. वो ये सोचते हैं कि हम इतने दिन की छुट्टी लेंगे, ये करेंगे, लाविश तरीके से होगा, यू नो, डिफरेंट प्लान्स, ये जोड़ा होगा, ये होगा. वी सॉ कि आपने अपने रेगुलर शेड्यूल में से शायद 1 हफ्ता निकाला या 5 दिन निकाला. यू गॉट मैरिड, 4 दिन निकाला. यू गॉट मैरिड विदाउट एनी ताम झाम. स्टिल द फोटोज लुक सो प्रिटी एंड यू नो द हैप्पीनेस वो फोटोज से पता चल रहा था, यू नो. सो व्हाट मेड यू टेक दिस डिसीजन? कभी ऐसा दिमाग में नहीं आया कि यू नो, लेट द पैंडेमिक गो, विल गेट मैरिड एंड यू नो हैव अ lavish wedding?
So it had been 3 years that me and Lavesh were seeing each other. And हम लोग पिछले 2 साल से प्लान कर ही रहे थे. 2020 April we were supposed to tie the knot, but then the pandemic happened and you know the lockdown happened, and that lockdown was extremely strict. Like you couldn't even move out of your houses, and my family was stuck in Ahmedabad, so that got pushed. So 1 year we pushed it. We were like, "Okay, chalo, next year we'll see if the condition and the situation is better, then probably we'll do it nicely." Of course, who doesn't like to plan their wedding, and you know, who doesn't like to do it in a grand gala wedding? But then with the pandemic going on and the kind of situation, and especially you know, shooting Pandya Store, it's like 25 days a month you're blocked there.
Yeah.
And that too for 12 hours. So आपके पास time बहुत कम होता है कि आप चीजें plan कर सको. Trust me, मैं एक दिन भी अपनी शादी की shopping पे नहीं गई हूँ. I've not shopped anything. Everything got planned overnight, and in 4 days we got married. That's how it happened. So initially we thought that we'll just register the marriage, and the best thing is that me and my husband, we always land up on the same page. So you know, we discuss, we speak that, you know, this is how I want to do it, and he's like, perfect, I think that's the best way. So जब दूसरा लॉकडाउन हुआ उसके बाद हमने सोचा कि यार ये तो सिचुएशन पता नहीं कब ठीक होगी और हम कब तक डिले करते जाएंगे. So we wanted to do it. We just wanted to register our marriage, and we thought that we'll throw a big grand party later once the situation is better, so we can have all our relatives and friends and everyone. But that also we couldn't see coming any sooner. We were like, kya kare? And then, you know, we registered our marriage on 8th of July, and then my in-laws, they were like, you know, now that your family is coming, why don't you guys do the fera? because at least my father-in-law specifically wanted my brother to do the kanyadan. He was like, at least वो मौका तो मिलना चाहिए फैमिली को, otherwise कोर्ट मैरिज करके वो फीलिंग नहीं आती है कि हाँ शादी हो गई है.
True.
So then 4 दिन में सारी चीजें डिसाइड हुई है. My best friend, she's a stylist, Nidhi Kurda. I just called her. I said, listen, I'm getting married. So she's like, what do you want to wear? I said, that's your headache, not my headache. You do everything, whatever. So she got my jewelry, she got my clothes, everything was done by her. The decor to everything was looked after. हमने अपने घर पे ही simple तरीके से शादी कर ली. We couldn't invite too many people because of the situation, the rules and regulations. But it was a cute, intimate affair.
Mm-hmm. So no honeymoon plans as of now? Because you're occupied with Pandya. Next month. What is the location, if you can disclose?
Of course, me and Lavesh, both of us are beach lovers, so it's going to be a beach destination for sure.
So finally, मतलब मौका निकाल लिया है आपने कि थोड़ा सा अब प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को इतना टाइम दे दिया, थोड़ा सा पर्सनल लाइफ को भी देना जरूरी है. That's how you balance out?
Yeah, I balance out. प्लस मुझे छुट्टियां मिल भी जाती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे पंड्या स्टोर से ब्रेक नहीं मिलता है. मुझे वीक में 1 दिन छुट्टी इजीली मिल जाती है. तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि जितना टाइम मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ स्पेंड कर सकूं. एंड वी डिडंट वांट टू क्योंकि मैंने जुलाई में शादी के लिए 4 दिन की छुट्टी ले ली थी. प्लस वी हैड टू इनवाइट आवर अदर फ्रेंड्स whom we couldn't have on a marriage. So मैंने अपनी इतनी सारी एडजस्टमेंट्स ले ली थी that I didn't want to bombard with more adjustments to my production people because it would have been difficult for them to shoot. So we decided that we'll plan the vacation later. So now in September, I spoke to them and probably I've taken a 6 days off.
But Shiny, चीजें कितनी बदल गई हैं शादी के बाद? Has things changed for you, or you feel it it's still the same because you have such an understanding partner?
To be very honest, मुझे लगता नहीं है कि कोई चीज बदली है. जिस तरीके से मैं और लवेश पहले रहते थे उसी तरीके से हम आज भी रहते हैं. बस फर्क इतना है कि हम नए घर में शिफ्ट हो गए हैं, चीजें नहीं है, तो हम दोनों कोशिश करते रहते हैं. अच्छा ये भी काम है, ये भी घर में करवाना है, वो भी करवाना है. Initially we used to talk different things. Now it's like, of course, शादी के बाद थोड़ी बहुत responsibilities आती है, ज्यादा नहीं. I have a super supportive husband and super supporting in-laws, which they 3 of them, they always keep telling me that Shiny, work comes first. पहले काम और फिर दूसरा काम. तो आप पहले अपना संभालो, अपनी शूटिंग करो, उसके बाद अगर आपको वक्त मिलता है तो दूसरी चीजें कर लो. So it's a beautiful feeling, because when you don't have a supportive husband or when you don't have a supportive in-law, it's difficult to manage all these things. But the amount of support that they shower, मुझे कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है.
Also tell me, do you think it's a kind of blessing for you, or you always thought I want to get married to someone who is not from the industry, या फिर ये अचानक हो गया, it wasn't planned?
ऐसा नहीं था कि I always wanted to get married to someone who's not from the industry. Lavesh has done a couple of TV shows. He did one of the legendary show Kasauti Zindagi for Star Plus. He was playing one of the characters out there. Okay. And then later maybe he shifted his job from acting to his business. And that is the reason I guess he understands TV very well. He knows how the drill. TV functions. कि कितने घंटे लगते हैं, कितनी मेहनत लगती है, तो वो बहुत अच्छे से समझता है because he himself has been an actor. And कहीं ना कहीं to be very honest, इतने साल तक मुझे टीवी में कोई पसंद ही नहीं आया. Maybe me and Lavesh, we met for the first time. We didn't fall in love instantly. It took, and it slowly, gradually developed. But the best thing was that, we understood each other. We understood each other's situation in life. We could understand each other's responsibilities in life, एक दूसरे की priority. और both of us are very progressive and ambitious in life. That's the best thing. We like supporting each other. We like pushing each other for progress and work. So we had very common thoughts and they are the same. So मुझे नहीं लगता है शादी के बाद कुछ ज़्यादा major changes आए, except कि घर में ये करवाना है. That's it.
Also, Shiny, you come across as a very homely girl, and who's जब आपकी photos देखे या फिर जैसे भी आप conduct करते हो अपने आप को, we don't see you everywhere at the parties और ये वो. you come across as a very homely girl. But when it comes to acting as an actor, आपको different things, you know, portray करने पड़ते हैं on screen. When I remember, since I don't watch too many shows, but I watch 2 shows. That is, one is yours, Pandya Store, and the other is Anupama. So I know, मैं हर दिन follow करती हूँ, तो मुझे पता है कि show में क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता है. When you were about to get married, there were few, you know, romantic, cute moments between you, your character, and Kinshuk. Does it ever get awkward because he's also married, you are into a relationship? You know, कभी वो bother करता है?
ऐसा कभी bother ही नहीं करता है, because you know, Kinshuk इतना अच्छा इंसान है, मतलब हम लोग इतने अच्छे buddies हैं. More than Kinshuk, I am more attached to his wife. And maybe अगर मेरा Kinshuk का कभी तू मैं हो जाता है, क्योंकि हम लोग you know एक दूसरे की टांगे पूरा दिन खींचते रहते हैं, तो वो भी नवेश को फोन करके कंप्लेन कर दिया था, भाई तेरी बीवी ने आज मेरी बहुत टांग खींची, प्लीज. तो हमारी बॉन्ड अलग है, हमारी ट्यूनिंग अलग है सेट पर, तो हमें ये सारी चीजें कभी इफेक्ट नहीं करती है कि हाँ बहुत ज्यादा इंटीमेट सीन्स आ रहे हैं, और वो भी हम हंसते खेलते खुशी खुशी निकाल देते हैं. हम लोग कभी ये सब सोचते नहीं है, बिकॉज वी नो वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर द कैमरा, वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर द ऑडियंस. I doubt if any of our partners also have issues over it. मैंने कभी लवेश से इस बारे में डिटेल बात तो नहीं की है, बट yeah, I think he might avoid those scenes. He might not watch them.
या अंदर का पति जाग जाएगा, थोड़ा सा possessive.
Right. He might just avoid them. Like, I don't want to see it.
Lastly, any message to fans who have loved you so much and appreciated your show and your character?
I would want to thank each and every one of them. Honestly, guys, मैं सारे मैसेजेस इंस्टाग्राम पे पढ़ती हूँ. इतने अच्छे VMs और इतने अच्छे एडिट्स आप लोग बनाते हो हम सबके लिए. जब आप इतनी मेहनत और इतना काम करते हो और जब आपको इतना प्यार मिलता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट to give me so much love, to give Dhara so much love, to give Pandya Store so much love, and each and every character in the show. I had never thought that, you know, Dhara itne dilon ko chhu jayegi. So thank you, immense of gratitude, and I feel so grateful to have you all with me. Thank you for always supporting Dhara and always watching my show and giving so much love.
Thank you so much, Shiny. It was pleasure talking to you. I know I took a lot of time, but thank you.
It was lovely speaking to you.
Same here, same here. Take care and all the best.
You too. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Thank you. Bye.